And one day you asked me to show me the some application aware routing policy. So that's something I'm having. So we will go through that one also. That is for dynamic path selection. Suppose, for example, in my topology, I want that when there are the two transport, MPLS and one is internet. So I want that it will be preferred to MPLS, but one MPLS is having latency of 50 ms. Then the backup will be internet, right? So that's something we configure in application aware routing. So if I will go through this one, we will configure this one also in our lab, but we don't have any WAN emulator, so switching we cannot see, but yes, we can check that it's following the expected path or not. So we will define one SLA class in our vmanage. I will go there in vmanage SLA class. So let me delete this one. Okay. Policy delete failed. Policy will refer to them cannot be deleted. Okay, maybe some policy is there. Let me go with traffic policy, application routing, or delete. Okay. So if any of the list you're attached with existing policy, so it will not allow you to delete. Delete now. Okay, it's done. So here we can define one SLA class that maximum latency 50. Okay, percentage we will not define. So these parameter basically you can define under the SLA class. What would be the percentage of loss? What would be the latency? What would be the jitter? If it is match all, then it will be switched to the internet. Otherwise, it will prefer the MPLS only. Click on 50. So it's already defined. VPN we already have. We will require, I think, data prefixes. So our destination will be 10.50.50. So this one we can use same prefix. Okay, so we have defined this one, and branch 1 2 3. So we'll go to centralized policy, add policy, click next. It's already created. Next, application aware routing, add policy. So I will keep the same name. The name of this one, maximum SLA TMS. Okay. SLA TMS. First sequence type, first rule, the same that we have defined in packet duplication, destination data prefixes. So right now we don't have any application or application list right now, so we can use that one, destination data prefixes. Prefix list we will use packet duplication one. Okay, and the action SLA class list we have maximum 50. Preferred color we will use, we already have, we want that it should go via MPLS. Okay. Here you can see, if you want that you want to click strict, okay, this application only follow the MPLS, not other than that. So you can use this option strict. It will stick to this one only. It will not switch to internet if it is down. So that kind of traffic, suppose there are some application like Facebook, Instagram, other things, social media traffic. So you can use those application lists and make it stick to the internet. So they will prefer only internet and stick to the internet. If by chance it is down, they will not follow the MPLS path and will not go to hub, and so that's how it will work. So I need the backup class also. backup preferred color. Backup color I will configure in my topology, it's public internet here. So the backup color will be public internet for this destination prefix. Save and match action, and default action will be enabled. Default action will be none. Okay. Now select class, save and match action, save application routing policy. Now go to next. Application aware routing policy. Here you can see next, then launch and VPN with. So here it will apply in branch 1 DC. It's already there in branch 2 because it previously belonged to DC, and VPN 10 add save policy. Okay, sorry guys. So how we will check? First we'll check what is the state.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN.